How to fix login issues in Need for Speed. If you can't log in into Need for Speed on your phone, here is how to fix it in just a few quick steps. Let's open our Need for Speed application. At first, you have to make sure you are connected to the strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. No connection means no login. You have to swipe up to fully close the game, then relaunch it. This clears any temporary login glitch. Make sure you are logging in with the right account: EA Game, Game Center, Facebook or Google. Wrong method is equals to login fail. Open the App Store, tap your profile and scroll down. If there is any update for the game, install it. If nothing works, delete and reinstall the app. Just make sure your account is linked so that you don't lose progress. And that's how to fix login issues in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.